Welcome to my channel, friends. Today our topic is stair ideas for home decoration. Friends, stairs are a series of steps or threads that allow people to move from one level of a building to another, typically between floors. They come in various designs, materials, and styles, including straight, spiral, curved, and more. Stairs are essential for connecting different levels of a building and ensuring accessibility. Friends, in terms of home decoration, stairs play a significant role in enhancing the aesthetic and overall design of a space. They can be designed to complement the style of the home, whether it is a modern, traditional, minimalist, or rustic. The choice of materials, colors, railing styles, and lighting can all contribute to the overall ambience and visual appeal of the home. Friends, stairs can serve as a focal point in a room, showcasing craftsmanship and design creativity, incorporating elements like unique balustrades, ornamental nails, and attractive lighting can further elevate the design. The arrangement and alignments of stairs within a home are crucial for optimizing space and creating a harmonious flow throughout the living areas. Friends, please like and share my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.